It's now a great pleasure to introduce INGE SAEYS. INGE is an audit partner in a firm called Van Coulter Saeys & Co. She's a board member of the Belgium Institute of Accountants and a member of the SMP Committee of IFAC. Welcome, Inge.
Thank you, Mark. They asked me today to tell you about my personal impressions and my personal experience as working in SMP for SMEs in an international context. In fact, first of all, I want to give you a picture about Belgium, not about the Belgian beer and the Belgian chocolates, but about our open economy and why Belgium has a key position in the European and international market. In fact, we have a very open economy because we export 85% of our gross product. We have in Belgium the presence of a lot of international organizations, the European Commission, the NATO, headquarters of some multinationals. And we have in Belgium very good human capital. In fact, we have very good universities, R&D, and these are on the best rankings in the world. So it's easy, if you are with the right SMP, it's easy to set up a business in Belgium. We also have in Belgium a very good international wealthy market, and it's in fact a gateway to Europe. So when you live in Belgium and when you have an SMP in Belgium, you have to work internationally. Why do SMEs come to an SMP, and why do they come to my SMP? Because we are a member of an international network, and we have also a lot of alliances with other accountants all over the world. If you go internationally, or if you want to help your clients, that can also be done through other clients. We don't have much money to spend to sponsor football teams. So what do we do to attract clients? Because we serve our clients very well. They are satisfied, and they talk to other clients, so they come to our accountant, to our SMP for questions about working internationally. Sometimes we have other practitioners coming to our SMP because they do not have their international context, because there is a language barrier, and then they prefer to come with their client to our SMP because they know they are well served without the risk losing their client. Sometimes it's also good to have contacts with service organizations like the Chamber of Commerce. And it works in the same way when our clients want to go internationally. We help our clients with contacts in our international network, with personal contacts abroad through other clients, or through expertise we have in initiatives like Erasmus for Entrepreneurs or Enterprise Europe Network. Now, what are the most frequently asked questions when SMEs come to my practice and ask them to work internationally? First of all, when foreign clients come to our SMP, they ask, for instance, I want to work with a Belgian client, can you examine the financial situation? In Belgium, all firms have to publish their financial statements. So the information on the internet and in the national bank is very important, and it's very easy to give that information to a foreign client. The client can ask, how can we best contact a Belgian client? Can we go through you? Can we go through the Chamber of Commerce? Can we go through a lawyer? They can also ask, our Belgian client can ask, we want to work with a foreign client, how can you have contact with them? These were simple questions, but there are also more difficult questions or advanced questions. For instance, what are the requirements for founding or creating a company in Belgium? And the first question is, what about the taxes in Belgium? Then I say to my client, do you have some time? Because it's not easy to talk about the taxes in Belgium, because we have local taxes, regional taxes, federal taxes, and so the tax situation in Belgium is not easy and is a question that is very much asked for. The company code, what are the requirements? How much capital do we need to found a company in Belgium? Do we need special licenses? And can we have some subventions for our new business in Belgium? How can we best organize our business? Do we have to go through accounting, an accounting firm? What about the human resources, audit requirements, other environmental requirements? Which opportunities have our Belgian clients abroad? Or a Belgian client can ask, we want to set up a business plan for extending our activities outside Belgium. Please, S&P, can you help us? Why do our clients or why choose SMEs for S&Ps in an international context? First of all, I think we do not have the same internal acceptation procedures as Big Fours, for instance. There is no need for those acceptation procedures on all those different levels. The client do not have to pass around from department to department for specific questions to be addressed. We are an SMP and we have the same strengths and we have the same weaknesses as SMEs. So we can deal with these SMEs and we know the industry and the particular needs of the SMEs. Due to our local expertise, our local context and our local language, we can help the SMEs coming to Belgium. An SMP can give a quick, flexible service and this at a correct fee. Thank you very much.